Noah Play. Hello everyone, this is Noah Plays 956 here. And right now I'm spinning a crowbar above my head. You want to hear the crowbar? I just smacked it on a tote. It's a small crowbar. I know that there is an update. 2. Ow, my head. This is the only level that's still fun anymore. I do this on a chair with the best pose. The second pose, which is how I always sit on the couch. Except without my hand like that. I sit like that, except I have cross. I'm actually sitting like that now. And that's what happens when your legs go to the knees go to the back of your head. It's a wonderful thing. It's a wonderful thing when your knees will go to the back of your head because the science behind it makes no sense. He right here is very skilled in driving. You took off from somewhere soft, but you didn't land somewhere soft. Oh, get off my lawn. I have my tractor. Not my tractor. I have my old jalopy. Oh no. At least I got my damages to a minimum. 1, 2, 3. We are the champions. And I need some Tylenol. Again. This is fun. Whee. Mommy, I'm doing it. I'm doing it, Mom. I dropped my tablet. And also my crowbar off the couch. Okay. So we are in watching a majestic, faceless man, also known as Slender Man, drive his vehicle down the road. As he drives down the road, some cops get him. His hood falls off, and we realize that he doesn't have an engine. So what we do is we keep chasing him until he gets to a stop at the end of the level. And when he gets to that stop, he wins the level. So that's how the story of Slender Man went. Now we are going to go to space camp. Be ready for what is about to happen. I can't fire now. This is Red 1, and I caught Red 1 standing by. Turn on the shields! This is red 2 standing by. Red 2 standing by. Shields are down, right? Now there are still shields up. Oh. I'm still alive. Let's go. Red 3 standing by. Shoot! He's dead. Sir, he's dead. Well, let's try again. This is Red 4 standing by. There are still shields up. Still possible to live. Drive, you can win. If you just believe in yourself. No, you can't win like that. Try. That was a great job. To the next level. What shall it be? It shall be T-junction. And on a different vehicle, like. Wait a second. Okay, I'm just gonna get the pivot. That new vehicle. That's what everyone is gonna see. That's what everyone wants to see. Maybe I did a video on this already, I don't know. I definitely didn't showcase it, that's for sure. We only got 2 new vehicles, so I guess that's what ends this video. Hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.